Hello traders. Today we are looking at the MA alert indicator for MetaTrader 4, and I'll show you how this moving average cross alert tool works on your charts. At this point, I'll load the indicator on the chart so you can see how it looks in real time. Remember to allow the LL imports, and there we have it. On the chart, the MA alert indicator displays one or more moving average lines and provides visual and audio alerts when specific conditions are met, such as moving average crossover or price crossing a moving average. Arrows or other markers may appear at the crossover points, and the moving average lines provide the standard trend reference that traders are familiar with. As for the settings, let's take a look. The settings typically include the moving average periods, the type of moving average such as SMA, EMA, or WMA, and the specific alert conditions. Alert options usually include pop-up alerts, sound alerts, email notifications, and push notifications. Display options for the line colors and arrow styles are also available. So who is this indicator for? This indicator is designed for traders on MetaTrader 4 who want to be notified of moving average events without constantly watching the charts. It is a visual and alert based tool only and does not execute trades. Moving average crossovers can lag and produce false signals, especially in ranging markets. Always use additional confirmation before acting on any alerts. That's going to wrap up today's video. If you'd like to download this indicator or learn more about it, I've left a link in the description below. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any future content. I'll see you in the next one.